I went dark for 5 months, learning, building, cracking exams, signing clients. I thought that was the entrepreneur life everyone wished to have. But I was wrong. No post, no presence, no documentation of what I was building. Just pure endless cycles of work, tapping on keys, getting on calls. From the outside, it looked correct to me at least. Clients were being served, money was coming in, skills were sharpening. All of it looked like a progress. But I was making a mistake, I don't even have a word to name it. Let me give you the actual picture. I ran Adzen, a social media marketing agency helping businesses with media production, content strategy, and everything in social media marketing domain. On top of that, building Valeria AI, my own operating system. Apart from that, I'm already doing my BBA. So when I said 5 months of darkness, I didn't mean 5 months of laziness, sleeping, or wasting my life. I mean, there was no white space in the calendar. Exams, client calls, outreach, deliverables, they all soaked me up and consumed all of my time. Operations were running, clients were being served, the bar was filling up, but I was not seeing the leak. Every completed list felt like a win until the next day it reset itself on its own. Because no matter what I delivered, no matter what the client got, nobody outside my immediate circle know me. One night, mid project, something cracked. I was finishing a client deliverable late night as usual. Then a thought came to my mind. If this client leaves me tomorrow, what will I have left? How many outages do I have to do? How many client calls? How many hours of convincing someone that I am the one that could give them results? How many follow ups just to get a new client? Because here's the thing no one was telling me. Outside my immediate network, no one actually knew who Anmol was. No content, no documentation, no social proof of my existence. Every new client required me to prove myself from scratch again and again. It was like a one-to-one hustle game. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and then repeat the cycle again. Revenue was there, but freedom was not. Every new client just dragged me back to the starting point. I realized revenue is not the authority. Revenue is repeating the same 10 steps endlessly. So I'm documenting again, not because someone told me to, not because I figured out what is personal branding, because I finally understand the value I've been selling to my clients without actually living it myself. And there's probably a version of you doing the exact same things right now. Working hard, delivering results, building something real, but keeping all of it invisible. I'm not telling you to start posting. I'm telling you what it cost me not to.